How to sign out of Outlook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove your account from the Outlook app on your Android device. First, open the Outlook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the Outlook icon at the top left corner of the screen. From there, tap on the Settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. At this point, tap on your Mail account to open your account settings. In the next step, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Following this, tap on Delete Account to remove your account from the app. Finally, tap Delete to confirm and your account will be signed out of Outlook. This does not permanently delete your account, it simply logs you out of the app. And that's it. If this Outlook guide helped you sign out of your account, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.